Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher, Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we are going to discuss the topic electric motor. We know that in electrical gadgets such as fan, washing machine, juicer, mixer, grinder, etc. to produce rotational motion by the use of electric current, and electric motor is used. What is electric motor? An electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Now, what is the principle of electric motor? Electric motor works on the principle of magnetic effects of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a conductor placed perpendicular in a magnetic field, a force acts on the conductor, as a result of which the conductor begins to move and work is obtained. That is, mechanical energy is obtained. The direction of force is obtained with the help of Fleming left hand rule. Now, what are the construction and main parts? The main parts of the electric motor is armature, that is the rectangular coil A, B, C, D in the given figure. Second is the split ring, that is P and Q, and third is carbon brushes X and Y, and fourth one is a horseshoe magnet. Now the armature coil ABCD is wound around a soft iron core, and it is placed in between the poles pieces of a strong horseshoe magnet NS. The coil is free, that is the rectangular coil is free to rotate about its axis. The ends of the coil A and D are respectively connected to the split ring P and Q in the figure. The brushes X and Y press lightly against the split ring, that is P and Q respectively. A DC source is connected, that is battery is connected across the brushes X and Y through a key. When the coil rotates, the split parts of the ring rotate with it, while the carbon brushes, that is X and Y, which are fixed, remains at their position and keep touching the split ring all the time. Now, working. Initially, the coil ABCD is in horizontal position. When the key is pressed, the current flows from A to B in the left arm of the coil and from C to D in the right arm. Then, according to Fleming left hand rule, a force acts on the arm AB in downward direction, and the force acts on the arm CD in upward direction. The forces on the arms AB and CD being equal and opposite and form a couple. This couple rotates the rectangular coil ABCD in the anti-clockwise direction. After half rotation, the position of the split ring interchanges. That is, when the coil goes beyond vertical position, the side CD of the coil comes on the left side, whereas side AB of the coil comes to the right side, and the two commutator half rings automatically change contact from one brush to the other. So after half rotation of the coil, the commutator half ring Y makes contact with the brush P, whereas the commutator half ring X makes contact with the brush Q. This reverses the direction of the current in the coil. The reversal of direction of current reverses the direction of forces acting on sides AB and CD of the coil. The side CD of the coil is now on the left side with the downward force, whereas the side AB is now on the right side with the upward force. Due to this, the side CD of the coil is pushed down and the side AB of the coil is pushed up. This makes the coil rotate anti-clockwise by the another half rotation. The reversing of current in the coil is repeated after every half rotation, due to which the coil continue to rotate as long as current from the battery is passed through it. Now, what is the function of split ring in the commutator? The main function of the split ring, that is commutator, is to change the direction of current flowing through the coil after each half rotation. Now, what are the ways through which we can increase the speed of rotation of the coil? The speed of rotation of the coil can be increased by increasing the strength of current, that is DC current. Second is increasing the numbers of turns of the coil, that is in the armature. Third one is increasing the area of the rectangular coil. And fourth one is increasing the strength of magnetic field. Thank you.